Hi guys, today I have some fragrance oil and this is from a company by the name of All Life, and this is their floral premium fragrance oil set. First, we're down to the chamomile, which is a perfect scent to help you relax and sleep. Next, we're down to the lavender, which is one of my favorite scent, you all. And on the back, it's a precaution in DIY activities, ways you can use a scented oil. This is the jasmine, one of my favorite. It smells really nice, you all. And also, it has the precaution in activities on the back. Now we're down to the rose, which is the best of them all. Now we're down to the gardenia, which gives you a hearty scent. Finally, we have the lilac blossom, guys. And if you're interested in this premium fragrance oil set, I'll leave the link in the description. You can go check it out. Thank you.